Good morning, Hawalat. Today is me too. About 7 o'clock in the morning, and it's a sunny day, sunny Saturday. And I have cleaned this area in order to view the coconuts that's been planted along this fence. So from the corner, you have one, and then you have number two, three. This is number four, number five, number six coconut plant, and then you have the number 7 viewed here. Number 7. Maybe I'm gonna be cleaning this area so that we can view number 8. And up to the time we're gonna rest after watering them. So needs more time to clean this area. Look at the area. Okay, there are also many leaves, old banana leaves that need to be removed. Okay, thank you for the time, Lord. So, yours truly, mga kahigalaan, salamat sa Panginoon sa lakas na pinagkaloob sa atin. Amen. Amen. Hmm. Ooh. Crowded with unwanted grasses here. So next time we're gonna clean this area. And this is the number 8 coconut here. This one. It's already clean. Number 7. 11 covered by the grass. You have here number 12. 12. Then you have 13 over there. 14, and on the corner is number 15. So I'm gonna go now. This is the view. Still we cannot see clearly the other coconuts on the perimeter because of the grasses at the front. Okay, morning. So I'm gonna go now. Enough today for today.